So obviously I'm going to share with you what to pack for the hospital bag in the next vlog. But अभी जो भी मैंने शॉपिंग की है so far, that's what I'm showing you. तो ये भी एक क्यूट सा स्लीप सूट कह लो. हाँ, एक्चुअली है तो स्लीप सूट ही, but it is not that warm as compared to what my husband brought from London. And ये मेरे को मिला है ये, and these cute mittens, socks, and onesies, more sleep suits, and ये top and bottom separate with cap, mittens inside. ये सब मुझे बेबी शावर पे मिला है. So I think इंडिया में यही सब काम आने वाले हैं ज़्यादातर. So this is what we have. And one other important thing that I got for the baby, because इंडिया में बोलते हैं कि नए कपड़े नहीं पहनाते हैं, उनको पहले धोना होता है. So all the clothes that I've shown you, I'm going to wash using this. This is plant based because babies के कपड़े as well as उनका जो डिटर्जेंट होता है वो सेपरेट होता है, zero chemicals and stuff like that. तो मैंने plant powered laundry detergent for babies लिया है, research करके, again not just a random buy. And while I was doing my in-person shopping, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, बट मैंने 2-3 बेस्ट भी ले लिए हैं बेबी के लिए. So this is all that I have for the baby, and I want to share with you few things जो अभी on the way हैं for the baby. Are the dry langots. Well, let me show you the cotton langots that I have got. But इसमें इतना मतलब वो मैस फ्री लंगोट नहीं है, ये मतलब कपड़े की लंगोट्स है. वैसे मैंने सोचा था मुझे इन्हें नहीं लेना है, मैं केवल डायपर्स यूज़ करूँगी, बट I think during daytime I can use this and I can use the diapers for the night time. So these are the like one padding langot cloth के, and इसके अलावा मैंने super bottoms के dry langots भी order किए हैं काफ़ी reviews देख के. So I have high hopes for them. Let's see once they arrive and once the baby is born, if they are comfortable, I'm going to share another video on that. Okay, so yes, this is what we have got. And now diaper rash cream also लिया है हमने, वो लिया है सेबा मेड का. ओके, डाइपर्स के लिए मैंने लिया है बैम्बू नेचर एंड वन अदर कॉल्ड पैम्पर्स प्रीमियम केयर, बिकॉज दोनों ही मुझे 2 डिफरेंट फ्रेंड्स ने सजेस्ट किए थे जिनके बेबी हो चुके हैं. And although I'm planning to use dry langot for the daytime for the baby, but रात के लिए I'm going to use diapers, and that is Pampers Premium Care and Bamboo. ऐसे बोलते हैं, ऐसे bamboo nature है, but because इसमें single O है, that's why I'm saying bamboo. You can call it however you want it. So I'm going to use these diapers and I'm going to see which one is better. Again, I'm going to share my feedback as to which one I prefer more than the other, right? So these are the diapers that I bought for the night time, and these are 2 pacifiers that I've taken just in case if it is needed in the beginning. But yeah, this is something that I've bought, and because मैंने diapers लिए हैं, मैंने baby disposable diaper bags भी लिए हैं. क्या है ये? Let me show it to you. Although you know right how you dispose the diapers, you wrap it and put it in the dustbin. Or after wrapping it, I want to put it in a plastic disposable bag and then put in the dustbin so that whoever opens the dustbin to put anything else doesn't stink. So yes, for the daytime, I'm going to use dry langot, but for the night time I'm going to use one of these diapers and I'm going to share with you which one is better. Then मैंने already मदर्स पर्श के वेट वाइप्स ऑर्डर कर दिए थे. बाद में मुझे पता चला कि लिटिल्स इज ऑल्सो समथिंग दैट इज वर्थ गिविंग अ ट्राई. सो वंस दीज आर डन, आई एम गोइंग टू यूज लिटिल्स फॉर क्लीनिंग और फॉर वाइपिंग द बेबी पार्ट. Similarly, these are the cotton squares that I have taken to wipe the baby butt whenever needed. So I think starting May, instead of using the wipes, I'm going to use these cotton squares with dipped in water or coconut oil whenever needed. And once these are over, I'm going to give it a shot. And once these are over, I'm going to give it a shot to little. So yes, in all, this is what I've got for the baby with respect to the diaper. So one other thing that I want to share with you that we ordered for the baby is the dry sheet. So I've got a pair of this, and we've also ordered the cotton one, which is waterproof, as these can come in handy when you're giving a quick diaper change to the baby, and for the longer hours, if you want to lay the baby down on the bedding and without getting the bedding wet, we can give a go to the cotton waterproof changing mat. Once the baby is there, I'll tell you which one I prefer more, but I think both can be used in its own way. I've got, as I've already told you, we've got the pacifiers to see if we need it, but just in case. And we've also got the pigeon glass baby feeding bottle with the anti-colic teeth, because I wanted a Philips Avent glass bottle, but that is not available in India. वो लंदन में जाके लेना है मुझे, तब तक this is the second best is as per my research. Also Dr. Brown's का भी अच्छा है, but I want to try this first, and if it doesn't work, then I think I'm gonna order Dr. Brown's bottle, the glass ones with the anti-colic teeth. Yeah. So this is all, and hope you like the video. And this is my first vlogging video, so please bear with me if it is not that smooth. And I hope you got some idea as to what all we can buy for the baby. And the next video is going to be about what to pack in your hospital bag. So if you like it, like, share and subscribe, and please share with your comments what can I do better, and if there's anything else that you need to know. Yes, thank you very much. Bye bye, see you later.